welcome to another episode of What the Heck is Going On in My Life. We're going to SEMA. I'm getting glass like a windshield. What? Wow.
The Punishstang's being the Punishstang, and the roof isn't straight. So the solution is not to sand the glass. We're gonna take this out and then kick that from below. See if we can Hulk move this to be the right shape so that we don't crack the glass down the middle in the future. Yay for making it last, that'll be nice. It's coming out. So far so good. Kicking it didn't work. I got under there and gave it a good push. We're gonna have to do some jacks. Hopefully get it bent up. Oh yeah, outside down. Trying to raise the center of the roof because my car isn't. I'm gonna have so much more visibility.
Try to look like a rubber for you around it.
Yeah, it's gonna look really good.
At the same time to hold the glass.
Right, it's gonna seal it up and look nice. It's really cool. I feel like unmasking is one of the great pleasures of the world. It's so satisfying. Dude. That looks awesome. Here it comes. Big reveal.
It's gonna look like rubber after.
Dude, no, it already looks amazing. Wow. What? And guys, look at how different it looks with a curve to the window. That looks so cool. This thing is so mean. Looks great, thank you. For sure. Like for real, so thank you so much. I'm so grateful.
Just be careful with these things.
I will, I'll take care of it, yeah. So I'll just drive straight home and let it sit.
Don't come in a speed bump hard.
Yeah, that makes sense. I really don't think I will because there's no shocks and it's... Now you have to sign the door. This is my favorite part of the car. Another friend, another memory. What? I have a windshield. It's crazy. It's so good. I'm driving home with it wet and glued in. That's not normally what you do. Normally you wait 4 hours. But and he was like, just don't hit the brakes, don't hit speed bumps. And I'm grateful that we didn't have time to install the QA1 shocks because I've got the nice floating Cadillac suspension. So I'm going to take it easy on the way home. This is so fun, dude. This is so cool. I can't wait to show it to you. If I'm not supposed to hit the brakes too hard because the 4-piston front calipers would definitely stop so hard that the windshield would fly out, I should probably be using the Red Dragon Performance and AFR heads and power cams and gas pedal to push the windshield in, don't you think? I hope there are some detours through Mexico. Traffic is pretty terrible, apparently, rush hour.
This thing held so good. Look, like the shims are still even in there, even the ones that I made out of lock washers because roadkill. It's so great. This thing is awesome. Yeah, look at, fantastic. This thing made it. The glass looks ridiculously good. I just can't get over how blacked out the car looks. It's so good. Like with the black bumper now and the black paint and the black without the, it's just amazing how much that really changed the look of the car.